Metabolic health, what is that and why is it important? So metabolic health is important because this is the beginning of chronic diseases. So how do you know you've got metabolic health issues? Well, there are things like obesity, not being able to lose weight, having fatigue. But the best way to know if you are metabolically healthy is to do lab tests so that you are preemptive. Because if you've got metabolic health issues, you're going to end up with a chronic disease. Things like high blood pressure, cancer, dementia, all these, and even you think of neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's. So the origin of this is poor metabolic health. So these are tests that you can request from your doctor. It doesn't have to be a functional medicine doctor. You can actually also get these from a traditional a doctor. So you need to find out how your sugar, so fasting sugar, fasting insulin, something called HbA1c, so to see if you're insulin resistant. And you also have to check certain liver markers, right? You have to check HDL, LDL, triglyceride, and it's also important that you check something called ApoB. So this is something that tells you how atherogenic, in other words, what is the capability of these particles to cause disease. So ApoB is something that you should request. And also you need to look at your thyroid, because you know the thyroid is actually our thermostat. Okay, every part of the body has got a thyroid hormone receptor. So when the thyroid gets sick, so whether it's autoimmunity or just slows down, then you can't make enough energy. So you need to check your thyroid, a thyroid panel. This is, you check T4, you check T3, you check TSH, and you also check thyroid antibodies. And also check your stress hormones, so check cortisol and check DHEAS. So these are basic, yeah. And two more that are important is homocysteine and ultra-sensitive CRP. Don't just check CRP, you need to check ultra-sensitive CRP. So these are basic tests that you can do to see if you've got optimal metabolic health.